आज एक महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करने जा रहा है। आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
Was our government prepared, or no government can ever be prepared for such scenarios?
Surely we need to have a lockdown as soon as possible, but we need to keep a check on what will be its impact.
The India government has allowed the airline to calm the all people in India. Why
True,
they have
true.
not taken from the month of February?
जब भी एक माइग्रेंट्स वापस जाने के लिए प्लान करता है, वो अपना घर पूरा छोड़ के जाता है। वो यहाँ पर कुछ भी लेकर नहीं जाता है। ट्रेन खुलने से पहले 300 से 400 माइग्रेंट्स जो लेफ्ट रह गए यहीं पर रह गए। ना वो घर जा सकते हैं, ना कोई शेल्टर है उनके रहने के लिए, ना खाने का कोई अरेंजमेंट है।
Being a doctor in this situation, how do you feel? Are you tired? December 1st was the date when the first symptoms of COVID-19 was reported at Wuhan. On 3rd of January, China informed WHO about the outbreak. On 17th January, the first death was reported due to COVID-19. In India, 30th January was the date when the first case was reported. And since then, more than 7.6 million cases have been reported, with more than 1 lakh deaths in India. Are we safe? Should we be scared? Or it's just a scam? Before we go into those details, let me tell us what we at Desire did during this COVID-19 period. Desire Foundation has helped more than 50 laborers and nomads who lost their houses due to Amphan cyclone and their income was affected due to COVID-19 lockdown. We helped them with food both day and night for a month-long period during the lockdown. Along with that, the kids whom we have admitted to school, we guided and supported them by collaborating with Adore India and their online teaching materials so that they pace up with the current scenario of education. Okay, so without much delay, let's go to the topic of discussion, COVID-19 heroes. We are going to discuss today various aspects of COVID-19. For some, it's a tiring work from home. For some, it's boring online classes. But there are so many people whose income has been stopped. There is a majority, more than 30% of the India's population lost their income source and the job due to COVID-19. My guests today are not part of these above categories. They are fighting this invisible enemy right from the front. These are COVID heroes who are seeing this pandemic very closely in front of them. So let's welcome Dr. Manishi, who is an oncologist and currently working at Ruby General Hospital, Kolkata, and has seen COVID-19 right from the ICU to the beds and treating COVID patients. He'll throw some light on his experience. So along with him, we have Mr. Chandrajit, who has done a phenomenal job by helping more than 6,500 migrant laborers move from one city to another. And if you remember the fire, the breakout at Delhi during the COVID-19 period, his foundation came forward and helped them a lot. So let's meet the COVID heroes of our country. Mr. Chandrajit, the founder of Jeevan Stam Foundation, who is helping more than 6,500 migrants workers to transfer from one city to another. And we have Dr. Manishi, postgraduate trainee at Ruby General Hospital, and he's also treating COVID patients. So welcome both to our podcast series and our episode. So I'll straight away go to the point and discuss with Mr. Chandrajit. Was our government prepared, or no government can ever be prepared for such scenarios?
Okay, so if we keep all things in perspective about the migrant crisis and COVID as a pandemic, which in the matters of doctors or a spread of disease, surely we need to have a lockdown as soon as possible. But we need to keep a check on what will be its impact. So whenever we decide any policies, so we should keep this check. And I think this time government has not done as much they could have done. So if we look at the migrant crisis, how it can be prevented. So first was the issue of food. So if a government has planned it better way of public distribution systems, so migrant crisis may have not started initially for the 1 2 month. On later on also they have not make it more acceptable for the migrants. So like having a Shramik special train after death of 200 migrants. So basically I have records of the all the migrants death.
The execution could have been better as per you. So you mentioned migrant deaths, but according to the government, I guess in the RTI or in the parliament, they mentioned that they don't have any information about COVID, about migrant deaths. So
No, so
how did you calculate the number?
okay, so basically even I have filed RTI to all the state government and to the central government. All the state government responses are zero migrants death. I have collected, so
Okay.
basically I have started counting migrant deaths from the 50 number, which I have read through the newspaper. After that, I started collecting a news clippings of a migrant death. From here,
Okay.
migrants died due to walking back home. There are few migrants died because of accident. So till 50 to 300, I have a news clippings. Even I have filed the complaint with NHRC regarding these issues. So even they are taking action and summoned 2 3 states regarding that. So there is not any such like they have. There is not any migrants yet. In reality, there are many.
Absolutely true. So as there's no death data, there cannot be any compensation plan. That was the government statement regarding this. So Manishida,
Yes.
so you have been part of this scenario from the very first, right? एक बात बताओ कि जो फर्स्ट वीक था जब केसेस 1 2 करके आने लगे या 4 5 आने लगे तब हॉस्पिटल का माहौल कैसा था?
हम लोग बहुत अवॉर्ड थे. This is increasing, is good up to that above that level. If it is the percentage of everyday cases is increasing, that will hamper the whole scenario, whole hospital management. That India's health structure or health scenario is very poor till now, I'm telling. But the one thing is the production, the quality of doctors are really good in India. This is one of the reason. That's why till now corona patients are well treated. And I'm telling, in India, if you take that percentage of mortality rate, whatever in internationally, China, UK, Sweden, Italy, wherever that affected, America, wherever the mortality rate of India is actually low.
Yeah,
If
that is
you
true.
if you see till now.
That is true. So that brings me to the point where, as a doctor, what did you feel? कि क्या-क्या missing था? क्या-क्या हो सकता था जो एक doctor को protect? So you are a soldier. You are a soldier. Supposedly you are a soldier. You
Yes.
need a gun. You need bulletproof jackets. So what were the things that you thought is missing?
In India, there is scarcity of PPE. There is no PPE.
But we cannot
And
complain also, right? Because the population is such a huge population and we don't have such kind of virus. तो कैसे बोल दे कि हाँ गवर्नमेंट रेडी रहना चाहिए? कैसे पता रहेगा? किसी को पता नहीं था, right? कि अभी ये ब्रेकआउट होगा.
See, I am not telling that government should ready, but the thing is,
Okay.
China breakdown has been happened in December 2019.
Yes.
Okay, the Kerala first case was identified in January 31st. Why they have not taken that from that time?
No.
They have allowed I exactly forgot the number, 215 people who are coming from the international on February of month, and everyone was COVID positive. Why they have allowed them? And that time, if the flight was cancelled from China, Italy, actually the starting of pandemic, I am telling, when Europe was going to be affected, German, Italy, Spain, France, from that time the India government has allowed the airline to come the all people in India. Why
True,
they have
true.
not taken from the month of February?
Absolutely true. Absolutely true. So on that line, Chandrajit, ये चीज भी हुआ था, right? कि बाहर से people were taken on. I'm forgetting the name of the flight, the project that we were doing. कि बाहर से students and any Indian who was stuck outside, they were brought via planes, and initially it was free of cost. Then again, due to some objection, it was chargeable. So the same thing happened in laborers as well. but the laborers were a low income group. So did pay difference or wage difference, being a middle class society, upper middle class society, helped many of the pay disparity, created a lot of difference in treating COVID, in treating people who are affected by COVID-19?
श्योरली सो इट्स माय फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस. सो मैं बिल्कुल कह सकता हूँ कि ये ऐसा हुआ ही है, क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं कि जब माइग्रेंट्स, जब बाहर से स्टूडेंट्स लाने थे हमें वापस, उसका हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया था मार्च से ही, मार्च से अप्रैल से. बट जब लोगों को माइग्रेंट्स को घर वापस जाना था, कोई बसेस नहीं चल रही थी, कोई ट्रेन नहीं चल रही थी. इतने आउटरेज होने के बाद उन्होंने श्रमिक ट्रेन स्टार्ट किया था. अब श्रमिक ट्रेन भी स्टार्ट किया तो आप सोचिए कि उस श्रमिक ट्रेन को अप्लाई करने के लिए आपके पास टेक्निकल लिटरेसी होनी चाहिए. जो लोगों को नॉलेज थी उन्होंने अप्लाई किया और ट्रेन में गए. और लैक ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देखिए आप यहाँ पर, जब भी श्रमिक ट्रेन जाती है तो गवर्नमेंट 3100 माइग्रेंट्स को बुलाती थी कि आप आइएगा, ये एक्सपेक्ट करके कि 50% ड्रॉप आउट्स होंगे इसमें से, या 40% ड्रॉप आउट्स होंगे, या वो अगर वापस आएंगे ट्रेन की टिकट फुल हो गई तो उनको हम घर भेज देंगे. बट जब भी एक माइग्रेंट्स वापस जाने के लिए प्लान करता है, वो अपना घर पूरा छोड़ के जाता है, वो यहाँ पर कुछ भी लेकर नहीं जाता है. मैं आपको एक इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. एक ट्रेन थी दिल्ली टू बिहार, उसमें कैपेसिटी थी 1600 की, और उन्होंने इनवाइट किया था 3100 माइग्रेंट्स को ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए. ट्रेन खुलने से पहले 300 से 400 माइग्रेंट्स जो लेफ्ट रह गए, यहीं पर रह गए. ना वो घर जा सकते हैं, ना कोई शेल्टर है उनके रहने के लिए, ना खाने का कोई अरेंजमेंट है. तब वो क्या कर सकते हैं? यहाँ पर किसकी कमी है? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की. फिर हम लोगों ने फंड रेज करके इन 400 माइग्रेंट्स को बसेस अरेंज करके हमने घर भेजा था उसी दिन रात. हम सुबह तक जगे रहे बस इनको भेजने के लिए. और ये लोग सुबह, अब सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट इसका ये है कि जब भी ट्रेन जिस दिन जाती है उनको सुबह 8 बजे बुलाया जाता है. आप फ्लाइट के लिए जाइएगा आपको 2 घंटे पहले बुलाया जाएगा, लेकिन ट्रेन जाएगी शाम को 6 बजे. आपको सुबह 8 बजे आना है, लाइन में लगना है, ट्रेन की टिकट्स लेनी है, फिर 4 घंटे वेट करना है वहां पर. फिर वहां से बस में आप जाइएगा ट्रेन पकड़ने के लिए. और खाना का अरेंजमेंट कोई भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करी थी. कोई भी दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट की जो प्रोसेस थे उसमें कोई फूड्स के अरेंजमेंट्स नहीं थी. तो
ठीक है, मतलब I understand कि there was not much of a thing without taking any government's name or anything. I'm not blaming a particular government, but is it actually possible for any government at that stage when there is lockdown? All the governments of all the states suffered the same, so we cannot
yes,
just blame ki wo government and wo government. So what do, and we have the brightest brains as IAS officers and they are administrating this entire system. So where do you think, where are they lacking?
ओके, बेसिकली यस इट्स ट्रू दैट सारे गवर्नमेंट्स के साथ यही इश्यूज आया था. हमने माइग्रेंट्स दिल्ली से भी भेजे और दूसरी जगह स्टेट से भी भेजे, और सब जगह हमने ये सिमिलर इश्यूज फेस किए थे. मतलब जो ये पॉलिसीज बनाई गई थी, ये पर्सपेक्टिव्स में बनाई नहीं गई थी कि माइग्रेंट्स क्राइसिस भी होगा. अगर माइग्रेंट्स क्राइसिस हमारे पॉलिसीज मेकर के माइंड्स में होते तो हम स्टार्ट से पॉलिसीज बनाते कि हम कैसे पीडीएस सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करें, ताकि जब लॉकडाउन के समय, ये सब चीजें बाद में हुई है, रियलाइजेशन के बाद, पोस्ट रियलाइजेशन के बाद. पहले से प्रिपेयर्डनेस कुछ नहीं थी. हमने रियलाइज किया कि ये हो रहा है तो इसको सॉल्व कैसे करें, ये हो रहा है तो इसको सॉल्व करें. हमने ये नहीं सोचा कि ये हो सकता है.
We were
Yes,
not
yes.
proactive, we were very much reactive.
Yes,
So
बिल्कुल.
Manishida, you have been, I guess, as a doctor, and all the doctors are researching what is happening outside India. So what do you think, how should I, like, is there any example how any country which this kind of population density, क्या वो लोग ने कुछ अच्छा तरीका अपनाया था वो which we could have also done?
See, if you compare with India with any other country, like whoever the mostly affected European, American countries are there, the thing is, the main difference is the health system. They are very much active in their health system. But the thing is, the corona strain, whatever attacked on that European state, like the most important state is Italy. Okay, whatever the coronavirus strain has been attacked on that place, that is most dangerous than far our India. Our India has not faced yet that type of strain. In fact, if you compare with the interstate in our India, like Gujarat, Delhi, West Bengal, Maharashtra, इसमें West Bengal का strain बहुत weak है than Gujarat and Delhi.
Okay.
ये बात है, ये बात सुनना चाहिए था पहले दिन से, उन लोग नहीं सुना.
True. Okay. So yeah, so we understand that there are a lot of lacking points and lot of things that could have been done were not done. On a different angle, Manishida, being a doctor in this situation, how do you feel? Are you tired or are you
Very much.
frustrated?
Very much, very much. I'm tired. I'm frustrated. I used to sometimes get depressed also. Now in West Bengal, that yesterday the High Court whatever
Yeah.
the decision has been taken, that's a best. That is a very good decision was that. That no every puja committee will be the containment zone. That is a very good decision of High Court of West Bengal.
I also thought from another angle. Okay, we should not celebrate puja going to pandals. That is absolutely correct in this pandemic situation. I agree to that. But there are lot many people who are very much dependent on Durga Puja. जिनका रोजी रोटी Durga Puja में ही होता है. Like the artists, like the dhak wala, the people who play dhak, like the hawkers, and like the businessmen or clothings. अगर वो बंद कर दोगे, okay, that is necessary. I agree. What about them? How will they survive?
See, you are telling about the hawkers, you are telling about the musician. See, I am the musician. I know that I am telling the post of that situation. That will be increased like a hell. अरे पहले तो बाँचो, खुद बाँचो, फिर तो बाद में सोचना पड़ेगा. जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
Chandrajit, you are adding something.
So just adding to this debate only. So it is always going to be debate between lockdown and unlock. So it is a similar situation. We are unlocking every pandals and not unlocking. So if we see in the perspective of economics, surely we want to that unlock everything. Then unlock everything. So we should have unlocked from the start itself only. The solution is not that unlock everything. Solution is how the government can support. If we are unlocking pandals, so how can government support the people affected by it? So if we take example of country like Germany, so they have paid the money to the businessman to pay to their employees. They
Exactly.
have paid the money to the televised vendor, direct cash money to the vendor. That's the solution. Not if we simply unlock everything, then COVID will keep spreading.
So last question on this segment, Chandrajit. When do you think there will be remigration? जो बिहार और बंगाल के जो migrant जो महाराष्ट्र, पुणे, यूपी आ गए थे वापस दिल्ली से आ गए थे, कब वापस जाएंगे? And how will that process be?
So remigration already started from the since the month of July. So basically we have sent migrants. We have sent migrants back home till 15th September, and we scaled down from August. We stopped sending back them home because there are chances of getting them employed because of unlock. And also remigration already have started. Around in 6,000 migrants we have sent back. 40% migrants already have remigrated.
So you are working in various parts in like your various parts of the country, right?
So basically we are based in Delhi. So we have sent migrants from Delhi to Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. So it's need based. In southern state we have only caters once. We have sent around 300 migrants from UP to Telangana. Other than that, we are based in North India mainly, and in the way we are connected with the various states NGOs also. There are various NGOs which are working in different states. So
how to contact you? How to contact you if अगर किसी को जाना है वापस? How will they contact you?
So basically, they have our numbers has been like a helpline number. It has been distributed right now in various places. Basically, right now we are focusing that if we have sent 6,500 migrants way back home, we will broad them, we'll help them getting jobs. We will, if they are not ready to get job, we'll pay them 10,000, 5,000 for buying sewing machines, hire a thela, hire a room for starting a small business for themselves. So basically, we are focusing right now the set of 6,500 migrants, completely rehabilitating them again before taking any new request.
Very, very nice. It's a very, I guess it's an amazing job that you are doing. How did it all start? How did you all start with this thought?
Basically, we are the 4 members which initially started it. 4 are unknown to each other. We don't know each other from the start. Basically, I started initially a Twitter handle @migrant travel for just to send the information to the on Twitter that this train is going from this place, this bus is going from this place. If anyone, any migrants, they know any migrants, they can direct them to these locations. Through the Twitter handles, I reached out by the 3 other members. Then we form a team. Then we started raising funds. So we started raising funds, and during this pandemic, we have raised around 56 lakh funds for sending migrants back home.
Wow, amazing, amazing. There's so much to learn from the viewers will definitely learn from you. Okay, Manishida, one thing. So we are in the last part of the segment where everyone is taking medical insurance. They're taking, okay, if you go to private hospitals, 10 lakh rupees is the budget for COVID. So is it true that what should be the cost package to treat COVID patients? How, just if you
So
tell the
we,
users? Yeah, yeah.
suppose if I take 2 to 3 lakhs maximum, 14 days medicine. Rest of all is for business only.
So coming to your own story, where you have been tested positive. Take our viewers and us together for the last, how you got affected, when did you find out that you got affected, and what was the procedure and how are you now?
See, I got affected. I have told that 2nd of July. Okay, my there actually I was asymptomatic. Suddenly I feel like बहुत cold था सिर्फ. Okay, and with that there was no smelling and no taste was there. इसको कहते हैं anosmia और ageusia. ठीक है, स्मेल ना पाना एनोस्मिया एंड टेस्ट ना पाना एगोशिया है, तो वो मेरा सिम्टम था. इसके बाद तो मैं कोविड टेस्ट कराया क्योंकि मेरा पीजी में ज्वाइन होने वाला था, मैं रूबी में ज्वाइन करने वाला था, तो मैं रूबी में तो ऑन्कोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में ज्वाइन करने वाला थे. तो इफ आई गोइंग टू if I went there and there were a lot of cancer patients that they have already comorbid. Okay, from if I have affected, from me the cancer patient will got affected. That's why I take own responsibility and do the COVID test, and then I got positive on 10th of July. I got the positive result, and after that 14 days is totally home isolation. मैं मेरे घर पे ही ऊपर में रहता था, और जो कापर जो क्लॉथ्स जो भी क्लॉथ्स है खुद धो के रख देते थे, और खाना वाना डिश सब अकेले ही करते थे. बस दैट्स इट.
तो अभी बहुत सारा मेडिसिन आ रहा है मार्केट में, लोग बोल रहे हैं कि फ्रंट लाइनर्स आर टेकिंग दोस मेडिसिन. क्या वो मेडिसिन कौन से मेडिसिन है? कुछ
there are lots of medicine, almost 58 to 60 medicine has been researched. The highest number of medicine has been researched in India, all over the world. Okay, but no medicine is actually क्या बोले काम कर रहा है against the COVID.
Okay, that was really nice. So this brings us to the end of this segment. We have another segment remaining. Very thoughtful, very good discussion we had, right? Like बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से discuss करके. The people who are actually working for, हम लोग तो बैठ के घर में work from home करके laptop में TV में देख के बहुत कुछ बोल दे रहे हैं, but you guys are actually working in front, and this is the first hand experience that you are sharing. That's really amazing. So coming to the next segment, which is a rapid fire round. So this segment is nothing but you have to tell in one line or one word or one sentence, and quickly. So I'll start with Chandrajit first. Okay. You give your first reaction, whatever comes to your mind first when you hear this word. Okay. COVID positive.
Isolation.
Okay. Sonu Sood.
Overrated.
Okay. So one comment about the Indian health system.
It's really need to develop for the crisis management.
Ayushman Bharat.
It's need to be expanded for the more diseases and for the more people.
Lastly, one word or one sentence about this podcast, the discussion that we had.
Interesting.
Okay. Thank you, Chandrajit. Okay, Manishida. Okay, so again, I'll go through the points again. I'll go to the words. You need to give quick, fast, one-line answers. Doctors at martyrs.
Obviously,
COVID positive.
dangerous.
When will vaccine come?
God knows.
Okay. Is swab test painful?
Not
Okay.
painful, irritating.
Okay. Indian health system. One word about it.
धजिया उड़ गया भाई. कुछ नहीं. पोपड़ा है.
Okay. One last sentence. Your closing sentence about this podcast or this discussion.
This is very nice. This is very nice. I enjoyed a lot.
Okay, thank you. We're really proud and we are really amazed by the amount of work you guys are doing. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप दोनों से बात करके. Hopefully we'll meet again post-COVID in a post-COVID era, and we'll have more
Yes.
discussions. And hope you continue the work that you are doing, and we'll meet soon. Thank you for coming to Desire Foundations and Let's Unwind. Thank
Thank you. Thank you. That's it.
Okay, so we'll end this episode with a song that Manishida has created.
This is dedicated actually for two lovers or
Okay.
two friends
Okay.
who are actually get meet in this lockdown. That lockdown situation when was
Okay. That's
only
nice. That's nice.
dedicated to them.
Okay. That's nice. Okay, yeah.
আমি এবার বাংলায় বলছি হ্যাঁ গানটার নাম হচ্ছে দূর দূর বহু দূর বেড়ে যাচ্ছে ব্যবধান আমার কিংবা তোমার লাগে আয়নায় বেমানান দূর বহু দূর বেড়ে যাচ্ছে ব্যবধান আমায় কিংবা তোমায় লাগে আয়নায় বেমানান আজকাল পরশু তোমার মরশুমে কাল বৈশাখী বাড়ে ক্রমে ক্রমে আজকাল পরশু তোমার মরশুমে কাল বৈশাখী বাড়ে ক্রমে ক্রমে অবসর কাটে অবসাদের ব্লেডে অবসর কাটে অবসাদের ব্লেডে আমাদের চাওয়া পাওয়া বন্দি বাড়ি কেড়ে দিন বহুদিন আমাদের দেখা বারণ তোমায় ছুটে চাওয়ায় হতে পারি আমি মৃত্যুর কারণ করাল গ্রাসে ভাইরাল চড়ে জীর্ণ পৃথিবীর প্রাণ করাল গ্রাসে ভাইরাল চড়ে জীর্ণ পৃথিবীর প্রাণ কারো খিদে পাচ্ছে কারো খিদে পাচ্ছে পেলে খাচ্ছে হুজুগের অনুদান